This is a glue pot cleaning agent. Let's try and see how it's working. This is how you put it. You want to clean up here. Look at the dust coming through here. Look at it now. It's completely watery. And you can remove easily. Look at it. So this is how we are cleaning the glue pot. This agent is very special for cleaning glue pots. This very special for cleaning. So instead of opening this part here, you prefer using the cleaning agent for glue pots in an easier way. It saves time and cleans perfectly well. Look at it now. This is just water. It has turned blue. It has turned glue deposit into water, and then look at this. Perfect clean. Very clean. Look at it. So kindly prefer using this cleaning agent for glue pot. Instead of opening up here, just use this one. It's the best way for cleaning your glue system. Look at this. These are particles. Dust particles. Look at it. They are coming out in large numbers. This is dust deposit. Look at here. These ones. This is dust. So it means that this cleaning agent is perfectly strong and the best to use in cleaning your edging machine gluing system. After that, you are not supposed to use this deposit as glue. Immediately you are through with cleaning the glue pot using this cleaning agent, you remove everything out and then you leave the machine to cool down. Then after that you'll put in glue and continue with it. Look at how the dust is coming out. Dust particle. Look at it. Look here. Look at it. These are dust particles. For those ones who are in need of the chemical, here I am. Just hello me and you will get a kg at a reasonable prices.